back, learners, into today's lesson, which is about multiplying three-digit numbers with two-digit numbers. So, in case you do not know how to multiply three-digit numbers with two-digit numbers, which is down below right here, you came to the right place. So let's get on the lesson and learn. Let's read the learning objective. LO. To be able to multiply three-digit numbers with two-digit numbers. Now let's read the success criteria. I can multiply three-digit with two-digit numbers. So now let's start answering the questions that are below. So let's get on with it. First, we must multiply the ones with ones, then tens with tens, then the hundreds. Since the tens doesn't have 100 right next to it because it's tens, we just pretend that there is a zero right here, like nothing. So 5 times 5 makes 25. 25. Now we put the 2 up. Now 2 times plus 5 makes 11. 11 times 5 makes 55. Okay, now let's do the final number. Now we put an 5 right over here. And 5 plus 3 makes 8. So it's 8. And 8 times 2 makes 16. We put 1,600. Okay, 1 second. Now that makes 1,655. Well, if you ask me, we didn't multiply with the 20. So first, when you find the second number while multiplying, the first thing you must do is put a 0 right over here under the ones. And then we multiply. 2 times 5 makes 10. So we put another 0 right over here. A 0, 2 zeros, and a 1 over here because it's 10 over the 5. So now 6, this makes 6. 6 times 2 makes 12. To put a 2 right over here and a 1 right up here. 1 plus 3 makes 4. So 4 times 2 makes 8. So now it's 8,200. And now we have to add them. So let's do it. 5 plus 0 makes 0. And another 5 plus 0 also makes 0. So now let's do 6 plus 2, which makes 8. And 1 plus 8 makes 9. So 355 times 25 makes 9,800. That's a very big number. Now let's try the other one. 255 times 15. So let's do it. 5 times 5, 25. Put a 2 up here. 2 plus 5 makes 7. So 7 times 5 makes 35. Please, another 5. Right over here. And now 2 times 5. Wait, 5 times 5, 25. Then another 5 times 5 makes another 25. So put a 2 here. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 times 5 makes 20. 20. So now we have 2055. And now that we have a 1, we must place a 0 right over here. Okay. And then 1 times 5, we make a 5. And now another 1 times 5 makes 5. Now 1 times 2 makes 2. Okay. Now let's add 5 plus 0, 5. Now right here, we have 5 plus 5 makes 10. We put a 0 here and put a 1 over the 0. So it becomes 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 5 makes 6. And 2 plus 2, 4. So 255 times 15 makes 4,605.